Okay, you ready, Tyler? Here we come.
Okay, here we go with the big reveal.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michaela. Happy birthday to you.
That's cool.
Your last gift is on your cake.
Okay.
The what?
I said her last gift is on her cake. Can you figure it out?
Those?
What are they?
Gosh. Are those the tickets?
They are tickets.
Oh my gosh.
We get to go on January 7th.
So cool.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
I'm actually going.
You are? You're actually going.
So cool.
Are you going to blow out your candles? It's sinking.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
That's so cool.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, baby.
I'm actually going.
You're actually going. Can you believe it?
Can't believe it.
You and Mommy get to go. How's that?
I like it.
Happy birthday.